So what is up everyone, JFLores here, and for today's episode, isang quick review na naman of this new, well, hindi to new, medyo matagal na talaga to, pero bagong microphone ko, which is the Sennheiser MKE200.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year.
So in this video, as I've mentioned, this is going to be very quick. So I'm just gonna do an unboxing, maybe top features, price, and of course, my conclusion whether you should buy this microphone or not. So unboxing muna tayo. I just wanna say, ang ganda ng packaging niya. First item in the box is the manuals na walang bumabasa. Meron ka ng pouch for the microphone itself, a TRS cable. You have the fuzzy and hairy windshield, a TRRS cable for your mobile phones, and of course, the Sennheiser MKE200, a very compact, light, cute, on-camera microphone. So now we're gonna talk about the build and design of this microphone. This is a very compact, cute, tiny microphone. It's also very minimal kasi plug and play lang to. Wala na siyang maraming buttons like the dB, the volume, or mga external or additional mic input or USB-C or whatever. So wala ka nang problemahin pang batteries and all. The material is made of plastic pero it's not the heavy, yes, duty plastic. Pero hindi rin siya cheap except for the hot shoe mount. I find it very somewhat cheapy pa talaga. Yung hot shoe lang. Pero the mic itself is not cheap at all. Also, yung kagandahan dito, well, for some, this is going to be a bad thing. But for me, I find it really interesting and okay na yung port niya is nasa harap, not the usual nasa likod or nasa gilid. And yung port niya mismo rin, meron siyang lock para hindi mo accidentally ma-pull out yung microphone cable mo or yung cable mo in general. Kasi alam mo naman tayo, pag pull out, medyo hindi tayo magaling doon. So, that prevents accidents to happen. But overall, yung design and build niya is for me somewhat unique and minimalist and social. Tignan. Just for me. For me lang yan. Next, we're gonna talk about the features of this microphone. Meron tong super cardioid polar pattern, meaning yung kung nasa harap, yan yung nagfo-focus talaga ng mic pickup niya. Kung nasa likod ka or gilid, medyo mahina. Pero for me, super cardioid polar pattern is the best when you're doing contents or you're doing vlogs, kumbaga, kasi nasa harap ka talaga ng camera majority of the times. Meron din siyang built-in na windscreen, hindi windshield windscreen. So itong capsule na to, meron na siyang windscreen sa loob. Meron din siyang kasama, as you've seen kanina, meron na siyang TRRS cable and TRS cable. Kung mirrorless car, DSLR, you're using the TRS cable. Pero yung tatlong yung tatlong linya para yun sa mobile phone nyo. So this or that makes this microphone very versatile, and that's one of the major things siguro na nagugustuhan ko dito. I think yun lang yung mga top features na kailangan kong i-discuss sa microphone na to. And next is the sound quality naman. As you can see or as you can hear, kanina ko pa ginagamit tong microphone na to indoors in a non-sound treated room. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Pero yun, since from the beginning is naka-EQ yun, or I added some EQ. Now we're gonna test out the raw sound quality of the MKE200. So itong naririnig nyo, wala nang post-editing, wala na lahat. Straight out of the box, eto po yung maririnig nyo. And yung camera ko is, yung input ko dyan is nasa level 6 lang yata. Kasi if meron tong mic gain na adjustable, I would just put that maybe at 1 and then plus 20 dito. But nonetheless, this is what you're hearing right now indoors. Now, I'm just gonna insert a clip na sinubukan ko to outdoors kasi I've had this for a week na siguro or so. So, nagpa-vlog na ako using this one. So, insert clip. Siya nga pala, we're testing out the outdoor quality of the new microphone, which is the Sennheiser MKE200, which I think this is one of the best budget siguro na microphone. Shotgun on camera microphone. Teka lang kasi si Ginger ang kulit eh. Say hi to the camera, Ginger. Ayan, aso ko. 8 months pa yan. So this is it. This is the Sennheiser MKE200 outdoor test. Static. Kasi hindi ako naglalakad at kung ano-ano. Ginger! Ang masasabi ko lang talaga sa quality ng sound netong Sennheiser MKE200 is hindi siya masyadong bassy or low or hindi siya masyadong like compact yung sound niya. Pero when you're talking about clarity and crispiness of the voice, okay na okay to siya. And for its size, it's very amazing. Plus, yung presyo niya talaga, which leads me to the next topic. Yung presyo niya is the major or one of the major selling points sa microphone na to. Kasi yung presyo neto at Lazada at Shopee, maybe I'm not sure where it's cheaper, pero 2,600 lang to. And correct me if I'm wrong, this is by far one of the cheapest or the most budget-friendly on-camera shotgun microphone, somewhat a small shotgun microphone compared to the D80 Mini or the Rode Video Micro. Well, you have Boya, pero sino ba naman gumagamit ng Boya ngayon? Pero nonetheless, this is a very, very budget-friendly microphone. 2,600 lang. Should you buy this or not? Straight out of the bat, if alanganin ka sa budget mo and you want to start doing contents, especially vlogging, I think you should just pull the trigger and get this one. I think that's it. If you like this one, never forget to never forget to like, share, comment, or subscribe. Basta nakalimutan ko na yung outro ko talaga. But anyway, God bless, stay safe, peace.